how to add PayPal payment to Webflow. So hello guys, first off all we need to do is to sign into our Webflow account. Webflow is basically a website builder, so it's like Wix. Here we have a template ready with us that we've chosen a while ago. By the way guys, not all of the templates here at Webflow are for free, so there are free templates and there are those priced. So I just chose the free template in here. We can edit this one out. Now to get the PayPal button, we need to go to Elf site. Alright, once in Elf site, please log in, or if you don't have one, it's very simple, it's easy to register. Okay, now here, all we need to do is to search for our PayPal button. Let's see our PayPal button in here. So there are 3 separate or different templates. So let's click on one and continue with this template. Okay, now let's add this to our website. Alright, and all you need to do is to click on copy or copy the code. Let's go to Webflow again. In this section, we have the sidebar. So just click on add elements. Scroll down a bit and we will see here embed in the advanced settings. So this is only available for Webflow Pro users, so we cannot input or embed our PayPal account since we are just, on our free account. That's about it for today's video guys. Hope you guys enjoyed and thanks so much for watching. Bye!